Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Casa Del Palme is a stunning architectural masterpiece nestled in the prestigious Spring Farm estate in Half Moon, Montego Bay, Jamaica. Spanning 14,000 square feet, this luxurious mansion features 6 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms set on 1.47 acres of beautifully landscaped grounds. Upon entering, you are captivated by the soothing sound of cascading water, soaring ceilings with skylights, and French doors that bathe the interior in natural light, creating an enchanting ambiance. The main living areas are elegantly designed around a central koi water feature, promoting tranquility. The formal dining room accommodates 10 guests, perfect for lavish dinners, while the wraparound terrace offers breathtaking views of the sparkling pool, lush garden, and Caribbean Sea, an ideal spot to unwind. The master suite is a private retreat with 2 luxurious bathrooms. On this level are 5 additional bedrooms for family and guests. The lower level features a self contained 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment with a chef's kitchen, accommodating longer stay visitors. This magnificent mansion embodies a lifestyle of luxury and sophistication in one of Jamaica's most prestigious locations. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 2,350,000 or Jamaican $373.6 million to purchase or make an offer. Please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.